In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save your work in Google Sheets. Whether you're new to Google Sheets or just looking to brush up on your skills, knowing how to save your files effectively is a must. Fortunately, with Google Sheets, saving is streamlined and straightforward. Let's walk through this process together to ensure your valuable work is always safely stored. First things first, you'll need to open a Google Sheet. If you haven't already done so, just go to your Google Drive, where you'll find all of your sheets. You can create a new one or open an existing document you want to work on. Now, here's something pretty neat about Google Sheets. Everything automatically saves to your Google Drive. This means every edit you make, every cell you fill, is instantly saved without you having to do a thing. There's a small status indicator at the top of the document that confirms this by showing all changes saved in Drive. This feature is a lifesaver, especially when you're multitasking or dealing with a spotty internet connection, as it ensures all your changes are preserved in real time. However, if you want to save a copy of your spreadsheet directly to your computer, Google Sheets offers flexibility there too. To do this, navigate to the File menu at the top left of your sheet. A drop-down menu will appear. Here, you're going to look for the Download option. Click on it, and another menu will appear, offering several file format options for downloading. You might be wondering why you'd want different file formats. Well, different formats suit different needs. For example, downloading as a DXLSX file is great if you need to work with the file in Microsoft Excel later. A .pdf file is handy if you want to share the document in a format that's easy to view but not edit. You even have options like CSV for data processing purposes. Choose the format that best suits your needs and select it from the list. After selecting your format, the file will begin downloading to your computer, usually into your Downloads folder. And just like that, you have a local copy of your data safely stored on your device. Saving in Google Sheets, as you can see, is a breeze. The automatic saving feature gives you peace of mind, knowing your work is constantly backed up, while the ability to download in various formats offers the versatility you might need for other tasks. Keeping these options in mind ensures that your data is always secure and available, exactly when and how you need it. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.